Hello, home bakers. Some bread is baking, others I'm shaping, and I am proofing the final loaves. Well, it's a little after 1 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday as I get ready for the market, and I'm working on some ciabatta bread. This is a very high hydration dough, meaning that it's really wet. All the flour that you see on ciabatta when you buy it from me is necessary in order to be able to handle it, but it all falls off pretty much. That's why you see me flouring it so much. This goes into what is known as a couche. That's this cloth, this white cloth you see next to me. It's something I built because it will be $40, $50 if you buy it online. I just got some flaxseed cloth and a dowel and built my own. So I put the ciabatta in the couche and let it sit there for 20 minutes to enjoy its final rest. And then it will go on a pizza stone into a 450 degree oven for about 20 minutes. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna film it in the oven in time lapse so you guys can see how much this bread jumps up with its oven spray. And it's a delicious bread because it's such a high hydration dough. You'll see a lot of holes in those airy pockets when you cut into this. So this is what I do at 1 o'clock in the morning. I keep baker's hours, and right after this I'm going to be doing some basil cheddar. I've got some Italian bread to come up with, and I've got some bread that is for fasting. It's a Catholic fasting holiday coming up, or observance coming up, and I am going to build some bread around that time for some clients of mine. Okay, well, look to see you this afternoon, and I'll check in a little bit later. Had a good night's sleep, so I should be good for a while. In the meantime, you guys get in the kitchen and bake some bread.